Okay, welcome back with another video. Today I'm going to guide how you can install Windows in your USB cable, USB drive. So we would like to move and discuss with our AI. Guide me how can I install Windows on my USB drive. So let's see. It will guide us. Installing Windows on USB drive so you can run Windows from USB, not just install it. It's different from making a normal bootable installer. What you want to know, basically Windows to go. I will guide the easiest way, most and reliable method. Okay, use Rufus. Okay, create bootable USB drive the easy way. And okay, click on download from here and see the usage source code from the GitHub. Okay, you can donate also as well if you are planning. Okay, another, it's recommended by AI. You open Rufus and search your USB, launch Rufus and select ISO, select and choose your window ISO, whatever window you would like to add, or Windows 10 or 11, choose important options. After selecting ISO, the Rufus will show image option, select Windows to go. Okay. Let's see. Select Windows to go. Change Windows to go setup startup option. Okay, I don't want to do it a bit risky for my PC. Configure setting, and then click start. It will ask choose Windows editions. Click OK. Wait. You need to wait up to 10 to 30 minutes how to boot from USB. It's another topic we will discuss later. For now, another method is using WinToUSB. More control. Okay, WinToUSB more control. That's here you can see WinToUSB lets you install a full Windows OS on external devices and USB sticks. So you can see, and this is a fully option uh, easy website. You can choose any server, Windows operating system, RAMs. So you can see here, and it's very easy. Avoid cheap USB. First of all, you should avoid the cheap USBs or that will not acceptable with your PC. Performance reality USB Windows is slower than internal SSD. External SSD is equals to almost normal speed, so bit locker issue. You should disable bit locker before using on different bit locker. Manage bit locker. You can see on the PC here I options and there are searches. So pro tips: use external SSD plus USB 3.1. Okay, 3.1 USB. Let's see the prices of this USB. The price. Okay, it's fast and better than others. And common problem fix USB not booting, disable secure boot in BIOS. So let's see. Okay, I haven't installed any software yet. Enable legacy boot if needed. So stick on boot logo. Try different USB port. Use USB 2.0 for boot sometime. Not showing in boot menu. Recreate using MBR instead of GPT. What is MBR? Let's search on our PC. Nothing. Or what is the GPT? That okay, upload here now. Summary video tools. Windows to go. Use good video USB SSD boot via BIOS USB. So I hope so you understand today guides and it's easy for you. So that's all for now. We'll discuss or we'll connect with another video.